Hello, let us solve another type of question from Taiwan work. Let me read the question. A can do a piece of work in 20 days, B can do it in 30 days, and C in 40 days. Let me write it down. This is the information I've written from question. And three of them started the work together. Now we have to find the work they have done together. For that, let us find the work they can do in one day. Here I've written the work A, B, and C can do in one day. So A can do 1 by 20, B can do 1 by 30, and C can do 1 by 40 part of work in one day. So if they work together in same one day, they can do the total work, that is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 and 1 by 40 part of work in one day. This keeps A plus B plus C can do 13 by 120 work in one day. Now A left the work after 5 days, means A plus B plus C together has worked for 5 days. As work for A left the work after 5 days means A, B, C together has worked for 5 days, and then C left in 10 days before its completion, means C left the work 10 days before it has been complete, means C has worked together with B. Here B and C has worked together, but at last C has left, and it was only 10 days to go for work to be completed, and here B alone has worked. So at last only B has worked, and B has worked alone for 10 days, and B plus C has worked for, we don't know, so let us say they have worked for X days. So the total work day here is 5 plus X plus 10 days to complete the whole work. And since we know that B can do one work in 30 days, we can find how much work B can do in 10 days. So B can do 1/3 work in 10 days. Here we also have to find the work done by A plus B plus C in 5 days. As we know, A plus B plus C can do 13 by 120 work in one day. So A plus B plus C can do 13 by 120 times 5, which gives 13 by 24 work in 5 days. Here, out of total work, 1/3 work has been done by B, and 13 by 24 work has been done by A, B, and C together. So let us find the remaining work for B and C. So remaining work for B and C is the work done by A, B, C plus the work done by B alone minus the total work. So from total work, this two work has been subtracted, and the resultant answer is 7 by 8 work for B and C. Now we have to find the day in which B plus C can do 7 by 8 part of work. At first we have to find the days for which B and C has worked together. This is the information I've written from question. B plus C can do 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40 work in one day. Since we know that B can do one work in 30 days and C can do one work in 40 days. B plus C can do 7 divided by 120 work in one day. So let us find how much time they take to do one work. C can do one work in 120 by 7. Now the remaining work for B plus C was 7 by 8. To do 7 by 8 work, B plus C takes here the remaining work should be 1 by 8 work on solving this part. On solving, B plus C can do the remaining work 1/8 work in 15 by 7 days. So B plus C can do 7 by 1 by 8 work in 15 by 7 days. A plus B can do has taken 5 days and B has taken 10 days. So on to complete the total work from start to end, it took 120 by 7 days. So from question, find how many days the work might have been completed. So the work might have been completed in 120 by 7 days is our answer. I hope you understood. So thanks for watching and please do subscribe.